What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a unboxing and review of the Euhomy IM-01 Portable ice maker. I believe they meant to say portable, but it says portable all over it. So we're going to get this thing unboxed and get it set up and test how well it makes ice. All right, there we go. So get this thing pulled out and get it set up. All right, first off, it's pretty well packaged, had good foam all the way around. It has corner protectors to keep the bottom edges from getting smashed in. All right, there we go. All right, there it is. Looks good. No damage or anything. So take a look in the instruction manual and see if there's any special instructions before we get it filled up, and we'll go from there. Okay, after looking at the instructions, it looks like it just wants you to remove all the packaging. There's a couple pieces of tape in here, some on each side of the basket, and there's a couple holding in the scoop that comes with it. It did say that if the unit was on its side or not right side up, to wait 2 hours before turning it on. We've had the unit sitting upright since last night when we got it, so we don't have any issues there. Yeah, it says use cool, clean water, not hot water, and you should be able to just fill it up and plug it in. Just as a precaution before the first use, I'm just using a vinegar and some paper towels to clean out the reservoir area and the areas where the ice come out, just to make sure that it's free of any oils or dust or anything from transport or manufacturing. Okay, now that it's clean, I'm filling it up with water. You can see kind of right there, there's a max fill line. I'm just filling up the water from my fridge, which is filtered, using my Yeti, which if you want to see a Yeti versus Ozark Trail comparison video, check out my other videos. This is two 30-ounce fillings, so that's 60 ounces. And then to get to that max fill line takes almost another 30. So that's about, I don't know, 85 ounces or so of water to the max line. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and see what it does. It says it'll have a 3-minute warm-up period for the compressor, and then it'll start chilling. So I'm gonna start on the low setting. And we'll see how long from the time it first turns on to the time it drops ice, and then we'll see the time between cycles on the low setting. Okay, I got my timer going in the background, but I went ahead and plugged it in and turned it on. You can see there it's on low. It is starting to fill the reservoir up by the little chiller coil. All right, I just thought I'd update. I just checked the clock and it just passed 2.5 minutes from the time I hit the power button. And as you can see, there's already ice forming on the first few little sections coming off the coil. So very good performance right off the bat. 8 minutes and it's dumping the first batch of ice, which looks like there's a little bit of disparity in the size, but overall, I mean, not bad for 8 minutes after I plugged it in, we've got ice. So Now it's filling up the upper reservoir to chill again, and I'll start the timer to see how fast it does the second batch. As you can see, any water that runs over just goes right back down into the lower reservoir, so it just keeps recirculating. Alright, stop filling. Now it's starting to chill again. Alright guys, right at 7 minutes for the second batch. I'm guessing that'll speed up as it gets cooler inside of the ice maker. Right now I have the lid closed, so it should stay cool in there. Help with lowering the ice production time. Filling back up for the next round. All right, I'm gonna let this go for 2 hours and we'll see how much ice is in the bin. Okay, so I moved underneath my cabinets here. It's the 2 hour mark from when I plugged it in, and the ice is full. I made a mistake when I turned it on. I saw the L and I was thinking low, so I had it set on the large from the beginning. L is actually large, S is small, obviously. So it was on large the whole time, and it was averaging 7 minutes or less from the time that it dumped the ice to the time that it dumped it the next time. So much better than the advertised time of 13 minutes.